Now we'll come to Tughlaq dynasty in Delhi Sultanate. Who was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Which Delhi Sultanate ruler is credited for formation of canal and postal system? Ghiyasuddin Muhammad Tughlaq. With which Sufi saint Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq did not had good relation? Nizamuddin Aulia. While returning from his Bengal conquest, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq ordered that Nizamuddin Aulia should leave Delhi before he reached Delhi, at which Aulia remarked, Delhi is still far. Who was the most literate, educated ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Major work of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Capital change. Tughlaq renamed Devgiri as Daulatabad and made it the capital of Sultanate. In 3035, Delhi was again made the capital. Tax increment in Doab. This scheme also failed because the public could not pay tax due to famine at that time. Nominal currency circulation. A bronze coin as a token currency was introduced replacing silver tanka, which was later withdrawn. Khorasan expedition. To conquer Khorasan, Tughlaq formed 3,70,000 soldiers and gave them 1 year advance salary. Karachian expedition. Tughlaq sent 1 lakh soldiers under the leadership of Khusro Malik, but the expeditions failed due to bad weather conditions. Which Delhi Sultanate established the department of Diwan Amir-e-Kohi related to agriculture? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who is credited with issuing token currency for the first time? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. During whose tenure did Moroccan traveller Ibn Battuta visited? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who is the author of the book Rehla? Ibn Battuta. During the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Harihar and Bukka established the Vijayanagar Empire in 1336 and Hasan Gangu established Bahmani Empire in 1347. Who was the first Delhi Sultan to participate in public festival of Holi? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. With which Jain saint did Muhammad bin Tughlaq had close relations? Jain Prabhasuri. In which mission did Muhammad bin Tughlaq died? Sindh Mission, 1351 AD. Which ruler established the public work department for the first time? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Delhi Sultan brought the Asokan rock pillar inscription of Topra and Meerut to Delhi? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. In the court of which Sultan were maximum number of slaves kept? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who was the first Muslim ruler to impose jizya tax on Brahmins? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Delhi Sultan levied the irrigation tax called as Hak-e-Sharb? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Department established by Firoz Shah. Diwan-e-Bandagan to look after slaves. Diwan-e-Ishtiqaq for pension. Diwan-e-Khairat Department of Charity. Darul Shafa Marriage Bureau for poor Muslims. Firoz Shah Tughlaq founded the town of Jaunpur, Fatehabad, Hisar, Firozpur, Firozabad. He patronized Barni and Afif. He introduced two new coins, Adha 50% Jeetal and Bech 23% Jeetal. He took work of public utility like canals and was known as lover of gardens. Who was the last ruler of Tughlaq dynasty? Nasiruddin Mahmud.